Hi, beautiful ladies. Hope you're all doing great. This is Rida Zahra, and welcome to Vegas.pk. So, whenever we talk about full coverage, photo finished, exotic makeup look, सबसे पहला नाम मेरे जहन में आता है Huda Beauty. And it's so amazing how this brand started from their eyelashes और उसके बाद इन्होंने अपना makeup introduce किया and now they're marking their name around the globe. I'm really impressed with this brand and it's so high quality and it's safe to use. That's why it's a little bit pricey. So if you want to learn more about Huda Beauty और आप वो purchase करना चाहते हैं, you want to invest your money in the right product and not regret later, keep on watching. So in today's video, I will show you their products, I'll give you information about the brand, and I'll create a very easy breezy look for you guys. And by the end of the video, I have some announcement to make through this video. आप बहुत exciting gifts win कर सकते हैं from Vegas.pk. So stick around till the end. So Huda Beauty has such a wide range of products, so I thought to walk you guys to the shelf and show you the range that Vegas.pk has. I'm going to start with the foundations. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, they have 17 plus shades for fair skin, for neutral skin tone and for golden undertones. इन्होंने बहुत mindfully अपने foundation के shades जो हैं वो produce किए हैं for every skin type. And over here we have the loose powder. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the foundation packaging looks like. It's a plastic bottle and it's a very fine quality, and I love that they have a plastic bottle क्योंकि ये breakable नहीं होती and it's more durable. Now we're gonna come to their lip colors, and as we can see, this is their liquid lip colors. ये भी 20 plus shades में हैं, and they have very nice funky shades as you can see. And this is how the packaging looks like. It's very catchy and it looks high quality. Now we have more lip colors here. ये इनके mini sets हैं जिसमें 4 lip colors के sets इसमें होते हैं मौजूद. और उसके बाद we have this product. This is lip strobe. This is like a highlighting shimmery texture that you can apply on top of your lipstick, and it's going to give you a very nice shimmery pop. Here we have their eyeshadows. ये उनके shimmery eyeshadows हैं. I'll show you कि ये कैसे लगते हैं अंदर से. Oh my god, see how beautiful and radiant all these colors are, and I bet they're highly pigmented, जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी भी अपनी look में. I think I'm going to take this product for my look today. Here we have their Coral Obsession eyeshadows. ठीक है, ये भी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Very beautiful warm colors. ये आप किसी भी occasion के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. They have matte ones, they have shimmery ones. You can create a day look and also an evening look with this. They're so tiny and I love the packaging. So these 3 are their neon eyeshadow palette. This one is the hot pink, and then we have the neon green, and then this one is neon orange. और इसके सारे बहुत pretty colors हैं. As you can see, they're very catchy, और especially इनके जो shimmery colors हैं, they literally look like crushed sugar or crushed ice. I'm so excited to use their products and show you how it looks. So let's see what we have here. This is their summer highlighter palette. अच्छा, मुझे इनकी packaging बहुत ही attract करती है. Like it's literally a 3D packaging, and you can see the highlight on Huda's face. And this is how it looks from the inside. They're so creamy. I just want to like dig my fingers in it. And we have the golden color, this is a peach color, this is lavender, and this is a bit mint like color. Very gorgeous. So we also have these boxes over here, और इस box में 2 चीज़ें होती हैं. Let's see. Okay, so we have a eyeshadow palette in it, a mini eyeshadow palette and a lip color. I think it's a very nice idea for a gift. अगर आप gift pack किसी को देना चाहते हैं, तो it's something very cute and presentable. We have another bag here. This is a very nice metallic color में है, और इसके अंदर जो है 3 चीज़ें होती हैं. We have eyelash set here. They're famous eyelashes, and we have an eyelash glue, and we have आई लाइनर। तो ये आईज में आई मेकअप की एक किट है जो आपको इस पाउच में मिल जाएगी। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी हैंडी एंड दिस बैग कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर लाइक मल्टीपल पर्पसेस। Here we have the lipstick sets and the packaging again is very impressive and when we open it हमें मिलती है इसमें एक इनकी lipstick. This is their bullet lipstick and with a similar colored lip pencil. And of course we have some eyelashes as well from Huda Beauty. ये इनके eyelash set है and then we have these individual eyelash sets as well. Okay, so I have selected 3 products from Huda Beauty and I'm gonna show you a very quick makeup look क्योंकि मुझे भी अभी बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी है. So I'm gonna show you how to make yourself look very presentable. अगर आपने बहुत ही urgently किसी party में जाना है या किसी function में जाना है, so what you can do. So I have taken their Pore Filter foundation in the shade Chai. I feel like ये मेरी skin पे ठीक रहेगा. And their matte lipstick mini set and their mini eyeshadow palette in Gemstone Obsession. And I'm going to be using this color because it matches my t-shirt. So I'll show you guys how. So I'm going to take a very small pump of their foundation क्योंकि ये foundation बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है और बहुत थोड़ी सी amount जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाती है. I think I've still taken a lot, but it's okay. I'll work with it. And I'm just gonna cover my problem areas with it. So as you can see, I did not apply concealer. मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी because it's such a full coverage foundation. I quickly just covered my problem areas with it. And this foundation, by the way, is sweat proof and it's waterproof. You can even go swimming with it and it's not going to come off. और ये फ़ौरन ही आपकी सारे blemishes को छुपा देता है. It gives you that filtered look as if you have a Snapchat filter on. So as you can see, just a little bit color has given my whole face such a nice brightened look and it's given my eyes such a pop. And now I'm going to move on to the lipstick and I'll show you how to do your blush and lip color with the same product. So for my look today, I am choosing the lip color. Which one is this? Trendsetter. I'm using this Trendsetter lip color. I feel like ये बहुत light भी नहीं है और बहुत ज़्यादा dark भी नहीं है. It's something very safe to use when you're in a hurry. Okay. I like the texture. It's very velvety and it really glides onto your. It glides onto your lips like butter. And I'm done with the lipstick, so I think I'm going to use the same product on my cheeks because I just want to have a very uniformed look on my face. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and be careful with the quantity because you know these products are highly pigmented. And I'm going to use it on my cheeks. I'm actually just going to like contour my face with it because it's a brown color and I feel like it's perfect for giving my face a little bit of warmth. Okay, I've literally just done my entire face with the single lip color and I think it's pretty much done and I am ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you learned about the brand and now it's time for me to make that little announcement. So whoever is going to be the first one to share this video and tag 5 of their friends, unko mauka milega to win Huda Beauty's Pore Filter foundation in their favorite color. So hurry up girls, share this video And if you want more detailed videos by me, please subscribe to Vegas.pk YouTube channel and catch me on the new era of makeup. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.